to summarize with the EY point of view. You saw the booklet we released today morning, which had the thought papers from Ernst & Young. Just a quick 2 minutes on the content there, and we would love to get your feedback through this conference on that. The first really is in terms of what products we think are going to undergo a huge expansion in terms of penetration. And we've got a point of view there on prepaid instruments, both prepaid cards as well as mobile wallets. So we've predicted that those will be that will be the way in which even maybe DBT will start to get transferred over a period of time. Right now, the government is using the bank account mode linked to a debit card, and really what happens is people take that and withdraw cash, and it goes back into the cash economy. What we are saying is that it makes sense to use a prepaid instrument to start to create that relationship with the consumer and engage over a period of time. So that is something which we've put out there. We've got some numbers. Would love to hear from you folks on that. We've got a kind of a unique perspective on mobile payments in that. What you're saying is today the system is kind of fragmented. You have multiple telcos all offering their own kinds of mobile money. And we're saying, what if the RBI was to issue electronic currency? What if you digitized the currency note? And there are many countries all over the world looking at this very actively. Of course, there are issues in terms of counterfeiting, etc., but that could really be the game changer in terms of digitizing currency itself. That becomes legal tender. You use a phone to move money, P2P, G2P, all of that becomes enabled. So we've got kind of a conceptual model there in terms of how mobile payments could work. Would love to have thoughts on that. Then there are two other papers. One is on point of sale, and we've done an analysis of point of sale, what it's going to change to, and specifically how mobile technology and biometric will enable point of sale. So that's a paper which is there. We talked about how banks should start partnering with ecosystem providers, which is basically shared services providers, which could help them increase their reach, which could be like BCs, or it could be people who help them increase merchant acquisition, loyalty service providers. So those kinds of models are there in the paper. We've got a paper on the government mandates. What is the right area for the government to actually intervene, and what effectiveness it will have in that. And then finally, we have a paper on the bank transformation agenda. How should banks look at payments as a business? Which area should they focus on, and how can they monetize that as well? So that's the set of 6 papers which you folks have. Do look through that, and we would invite comments. Thank you.